Hi guys. Yay, it worked. All right. Hi guys, it's Jennifer. I'm here today to do a little different video. I did one of these last year and I want to do it again. I am not a beauty expert by any stretch of the imagination. However, I'm a woman that shops and likes makeup and loves Sephora. And Sephora's having their 20% off sale. I know it's for Rouge today. I don't know what day it opens to the general public, but almost everything in the store is 20% off. So I gathered my favorite things from Sephora that I always rebuy. In case you were looking for any new beauty products or skincare products, I thought I would share with you my favorite pieces or my favorite things that I use that are at Sephora. First, I actually mentioned this last year. This Brazilian Foreplay Sol Janeiro bath shower gel, and it also the lotion. I didn't bring the lotion up, but the lotion they're both awesome. They smell amazing. I just came back from a client's house and she was like, "You smell so good," and I'm like, "It's my lotion." They smell fabulous. So, and the lotion is like a really heavy shea butter one, so you should totally try it. Beauty blenders, sorry that these aren't super clean, but I love beauty blenders, and why not buy them when they're on sale? This is what I use to put on my foundation every day. I like them better than brushes. I think brushes, like, you get like blotchy and whatever, and this you dampen and then you put it on and it seems like it just goes on smoother. Okay, this is a new product that I just tried. How do you focus? There we go. It's the new Detox Drybar Dry Shampoo, and it's awesome. There's no powdery residue. It's like invisible. So I'm obsessed with that. And I just started using their dry conditioner, which is also like pretty crazy cool. It's like a dry conditioner. It's so weird, but it works. Like if you get like crunchy little ends or anything after a day or two of not showering, you can just spritz them and it's like magic. Next, I love Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer. My eye makeup lasts all day. Like, I have to walk, like, I could sleep in it with this stuff, and it won't come off. I've tried a million mascaras over the years, and this Benefit, they're real. How do you focus this sucker? There we go. This is my go-to. It doesn't flake off, which is the #1 thing that I find happens with other mascaras. So you get that little, like, 5 o'clock shadow under your eyeball. It doesn't do that, and I don't like thick lashes. I like long. So I know a lot of people like Paradise, one in the grocery store, and I don't like it because it makes your eyelashes thick. This one makes your eyelashes long and thin, and not thin, but not the tarantula trend. My favorite lip liner is Urban Decay 24/7, and my go-to lipstick is the Giorgio Armani. I have been wearing this lip gloss for years. It's like my favorite. It lasts better than anything I've ever found. And then last but not least, I might have one other thing, but this, I just took the plunge and splurged on a Natasha Denona palette, the mini one. This stuff is beautiful. If you've never tried her makeup, it is just fully pigmented and it goes on really well. It is amazing. So I understand kind of the price point now, and I'm probably will try her palettes again now that I've tried this, and it's so above and beyond. So today, what did I order? Oh, I ordered some Moroccan Argan Oil, which I will link to, and then I also ordered some Drunk Elephant. I've been wanting to try Drunk Elephant because it's a clean skincare line. I've been wanting to try it for a while, and I finally decided to try it since it's the 20% off sale. I have a hard time with skincare. Like, I've tried a lot of things and including Rodan and Fields, any of you that are watching this, because one of my dearest friends sells that. So I have tried that, and I do use their Lash Boost, which I swear by. Their Lash Boost is probably like my #1 beauty product. Oh, so I've tried a lot of skincare lines, and I'm trying to do green because skin is our largest organ, of course. So I'm trying to do as healthy as possible. But anyway, I've heard tons of really good things about Drunk Elephant, so I'm gonna give that a shot next. And I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different than what I usually do, but I thought it might be fun to share with you. Since the sale's going on, it's a good time to try new things. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this, so I know that you like it. All right, have a good day. Bye.